Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram stories and add a link back to your website to your products and service. So let's go ahead and open up the app Instagram. Now, when you're first opening, you should be here on your news feed where your friends and family's posts are and people that you follow. What I want you to do is click in the lower right-hand corner, and I want you to be on your account. This just makes it a little bit easier. Now you're going to click the circle at the top left because this is your story. So go ahead and click it. Now I already have a story here and it does have a clickable link in it, as you can see, heatherclifford.com. What we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through how I created this post. So now what I'm going to do is click in the top left corner, the plus sign, and I'm going to open up to create my new story. So the first thing I want to do is add a photo. So I'm going to click on my photos and I'm going to click on the photo I want to use. So for example, I'm going to do right here and I'm going to call this Lot B, Camco Road. Now, because this is the World Wide Web, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the location address in, but first I'm going to add the price of this, $6.99, $900. I'm going to click Done in the top right corner, and I could even change the color of this text from white by clicking on the color pad in the top and choosing the color I want to use. And it could be, let's find something a little darker. Done. There we go. There it is. Now what I have to do is click on the little square box with the smiley face and click on location. It should pick up the location of that photo. I click on it and I'm going to just drag it right here. And I'm going to do for sale. So I'm going to click the little square again. And I'm going to look for just listed sign maybe. So GIF and then write just listed. And look at what comes up. Be aware that some of these that pop up are other real estate companies, right? So new listing, there we go. I'm going to stretch it to make it bigger. Maybe not quite that big. There we go. New listing. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I want to add that clickable link. So I'm going to once again click on the square with the smiley face and cancel where I'm at. And now I'm going to look for link in the center here. It's blue. It says link. I'm going to click on link. Now it says add the URL. So I'm going to have to go out of Instagram into Google, search out my website, search out properties, find the listing I'm talking about, which is this one, Lot B, Camco Road, and then click on it. Once I click on it, the URL will now be, if I click on the URL, I copy it, it will lead exactly to that website. So now I go back into Instagram and I click where it says URL. You can see there's a little blue flashing line. Click in there and paste. Now I just click done. Now the other thing I could have done is I could have customized that link to say Lot B Camco Road. So there's several things I could keep doing to make this story even bigger and bigger. But for now, I really like the way it's looking, and all I have to do from here is click add to your stories in the bottom left-hand corner. I click on it and I just give it a few seconds to load, so to speak. And sometimes I refresh my phone and you'll notice if I click on it, it still says it's uploading. So it hasn't uploaded yet. And you just have to wait until it does. And then there we go. It's loaded. So I click here and there is the new story that I've just created on Facebook and on Instagram because I've linked my accounts. I hope this helps you utilize all the features there are on Instagram and on your Facebook for business. This is Heather. Remember, everyone, let's keep it simple.